to the members of the press. I want to acknowledge my appreciation to all people who have attended the election and this AGM. It is my greatest joy today to stand here, having been sworn in as a chairman of this community and having served for the last 25 years. I thank them dearly because they've been patient and they have been always in close contact for the last 25 years when we are battling in the court corridors. I want to tell my brothers who have been our opponents for all those years that today the win of this community is clearly seen. It is clearly a testimony that the citizens and the Kegonyege community trust members have come out in large numbers.
Leo Kegonyege community wameweza kunichagua niwe mwenyekiti wao wa shamba la Kegonyege Community Trust, na wamenipa hiyo idhini ili niweze kuwakilisha kwa ile muda ambaye tunaenda kukata hiyo shamba. Na ninataka kuhakikishia community yote, wale ambao wamenichagua na wale ambao hawajanichagua, hawa watu wote wamekuwa wangu, na ninahakikisha kwamba walemavu na wakina mama na wazee na wale wengine wameshirikishwa.
Very good.